As you continue walking around the Grading tab, you're going to notice that you have the ability to view the results based on a student's results altogether or based on each question. So if I wanted to see how each student did, I could click on the student's name and that will open up the screen of each of the questions that they've answered. As you're looking how the student answered, you're going to see that the green check mark is going to indicate that they have answered that correctly. It's also going to automatically give you the grade that they have gotten if this is a selected response question. If at any time you wanted to go in and override the grade, you could once again do that by clicking on that little pencil icon. So as you move through here, you're going to see that any question that was answered incorrectly is going to be displayed with a red X, and the correct answers are always going to be displayed in yellow, so you can see where the student went wrong and what they should have answered. So in this example here, you're going to see that choice A was incorrect and what the correct answer should have been in the yellow bar. If you ever wanted to change the view in which you're looking at this, you can scroll back up to the top, and instead of doing it as a student by student view, you can view all of these assessments by question. So here it's going to open a screen that's going to show you each of your questions, and you can go in and click on one of the questions to see how everybody did on that specific question. So if I clicked on one of these, it's going to load every student's responses, and I could quickly come in here and review each question and give point values for each of those. If you're looking at this in a question view, you can navigate to the next question by clicking on the next button in the top right, or you can go back to all of the questions by clicking on that link, and it's going to bring you to your question list. When you're viewing the results by question type, you're not only going to see a brief overview of what the question was, but you're also going to see the question type. You're going to see how many total points were available for the question, and then the average score of each of the questions based on the results of your students. So this is a quick way to just get an overview of the question and how your class as a whole did.